This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, today we're going to test Mercedes EQE AMG 43 4Matic Plus SUV. It's a fat EQE. And I tested another one before, but that was 350, was also 4Matic, but not so powerful. So what I want to know is that when you go for this beefy, it was 687 horsepower, 1000 Newton meter torque. It does 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. When you go for this beast, will you then sacrifice range? Will the consumption go through the roof? Well, let's find out. So we have, Michelin Pilot Sport EV. So that was a different than the one I tested in the other EQE. And also quite fat tires, 275, 35, 22 inch, of course, AMG rims. So I like this color. It's the green with some shimmer. I forgot to take out the Cybex Sirona T. So it's in the back there, adding slightly extra weight. Wait, don't we have a lot of soft close here? Okay, in front, we have this. Looks like any other Mercedes. So let's get ready. Well, we're on the move. We have to drive at 126 kilometers per hour to match 120. Wow. Okay, well, let's see then. How thirsty is this beast at these speeds? But just like the other AMG, if you scroll up here a bit in the instrument cluster, you see we have engine data, right? There is no engine. There is some battery temperature here. Oh, seems like it's running. Okay, stop bugging me about it. Seems like it's running on the rear wheel, rear axle now. We are cruising. Okay. So also, if you go here, there is also some AMG performance here. So we have rear wheel steering also. Well, I see some torque. Yeah, you see it's running on the rear motor only. But here you can see the rear wheel steering if it's active. So this car cost 1.85 million NOK. It better be good. Yeah, and then we have this electric motor thing here, and then you have the IWC. It's like, what the heck? It's a clock. Why? We already have a clock up there. Wait, is there also an off-road mode here? Let me see. Track pace. What is it? Okay. Oh yeah, I like this. We navigate now to Strandlyset, and the car tells me in the main screen here that we will arrive with 66%. Many other legacy automakers, they will hide that arrival percent somewhere in the menu, like the VAG, you know, like, you want to have it here always visible. And then of course, just like other Mercedes, this car just looks like a spaceship. And how is Bjørn today? We have wind from the north, headwind. So consumption right now is 296 watt-hour per kilometer. Well, despite that we went some downhill, so this is a thirsty beast from Stuttgart. Results from a 120 test, 278 watt-hour per kilometer, but distance is reported as 64 kilometers only. Seems like this car underreports distance by a lot. It should be 66. We're gonna verify that in the full test. So yeah, let's reset and then go again. This time we have to cruise on 95 kilometers per hour on the speedo to match 90. And what? I thought speed limit with trailer was 80 kilometers per hour in Norway, and that guy doesn't have the Tempo 100 sticker. Well. But okay, so yeah, the consumption should be a lot lower now. So this time we're gonna go all the way to Rudshøgda, and then the car claims that there is some kind of stau over there, Unfall supposedly. Oh, let's see if he's right then. Man, I just realized that if you're allergic to Tesla, this car is perfect for you. You have plenty of buttons. Where do you start? We have stalks here for wipers and stuff. We have gear selector stalk there. We have a little knob, where is it? There, kind of hard to show. There for adjusting the steering wheel position. We have up-down pedal shifters for adjusting regen. We have this swipe button here for adjusting whatever content is in this screen. We have the swipe button here for adjusting what's going on there. We have some home back button here. Also buttons there. We have up down for cruise control here. Swipe, all this swipe shit, man. no physical buttons. Like it's not haptic. It's just that you have to swipe and press. Yeah, okay, it's slightly better than haptic, but still, I'm not a fan of it. Okay, set. Yeah. So lots of buttons here, lots of buttons here. Button here to change some settings for the drive select. You can also customize this. Also, more buttons here. You can cycle between what you want this to do, and then you press the button here. Same on the AMG button there, and then more buttons here. Yeah, more buttons here. Also buttons over here. Huh? Are you happy now? Oh no, we have more buttons here. Yes, of course. Wait, let me see. How well does this car coast? I have regen on lowest, and it seems like it doesn't regen anything, it just coasts. Okay, we have to do the coasting test further down the road to see how far we can go, because okay, we might not have the drag coefficient with us here, but this car is just so big and fat, so it has the kinetic energy or the potential energy. But yeah, it's nice and comfy in here, quiet. Good air suspension. We have it in comfort mode now. You can of course put it in sport mode, but now that we're cruising, we just want to have it in comfort. So yeah. Wait, but there is no massage here. What? No pelvic rotation. Man, it's so expensive car, massage not included. Well, at least we have Burmester with really good sound. Let me see. Oh man, this is proper audio. Wait, it seems like there is nothing going on the road again anymore. Yeah, seems like the Unfall was cleaned up and then the status disappeared here. Well, all good then. Well, let's see now. I'm gonna try to coast. I'm waiting for the torque to become zero. Okay. Yeah, so we are now in, well actually we're not in neutral, we're just in drive. Maybe because, okay, for the heck of it. There. We're actually in neutral now. Just 100% sure that there is no torque applied or anything. Now we just have to glide down. But we have headwind, which is a slight disadvantage, of course. So in some of the other tests, we had tailwind. But usually around here, the wind is not that strong. So it shouldn't be that big of a disadvantage. But let's see, can we at least hit 120 kilometers per hour, just like Tesla? Well, actually seems like we can, because this car weighs almost 3 tons. Yeah, look at that. No, wait. That's on the speedo. I was looking at speedo. GPS speed is different. Okay, gonna hunker down, try to draft behind this bus now. Oh yeah, we just try to cheat as much as we can. Actually, the bus seems to be also coasting. Oh yeah, how close do you dare to go? Okay, let's go. All right, and then we just have to glide as much as possible. Wow, so okay, despite that it's a big heavy beast with lots of power, it seems like Mercedes, they made a fairly efficient car, yeah, for what it is. I remember the previous gen of this, which is the EQC. That car is smaller, also quite heavy, but quite thirsty. But here, ooh, look at this. Look at this, huh? I thought it would be really bad, and we hit 90 kilometers per hour over here, but we are still gliding. We are still gliding. Come on, 92, 91. No, oh shit, the speed drops really fast. There, oh, okay. Well, yeah. Ioniq, classic Ioniq was, I think, around here. Yeah. Same with the ID3, also around here. But then Model 3 Highland and also Skoda Enyaq Coupe hit 90 kilometers per hour around here, right before the exit sign. So, well, this is still very good. Well, so far consumption is 205 watt-hour per kilometer, looking good. And you see that we are at rear-wheel drive, right? But if I switch over here to S Plus Sport, then you will see that it goes into permanent all-wheel drive. And then, well, if the battery would be colder, you would actually see a notification that it tries to heat up the battery. But right now it's not heating up the battery. But yeah, we want to switch off this mode. But just switch it back now to comfort mode. And also, look here, if I click this button here to check out the it's gonna check out the charging screen. So the charging screen will actually show you how many kilowatt we can take right now based on the battery temperature instead of charge. It's very nice that we have it here and not in a separate screen unlike the ID software. However, there is no preheating, manual preheating. You have to then navigate to a fast charger to preheat. But yeah, at least it goes up. It should be 170 max. And if preheating will be active, you would actually first get a notification on the screen here, but then this battery symbol thing here will be right here in the middle of the battery. That indicates that preheat is ongoing. Okay, the result from the 90 test was 202 watt-hour per kilometer, but by the time I managed to calculate everything, it went up to 203 because the car counts when it's stationary. Well, we can just make it 203 then, or do you agree? On freaking German cars, they always count when you're stationary. But yeah, the distance was reported as 179.4 kilometers, but it's 182. So this car underreports distance by 1.2%, which means that the 202 watt-hour per kilometer is actually 1.5% lower than that. Give it a check now. Alright, the car claims that we can charge at 153 kilowatt. Alright, let's plug it in at Ioniq and check then. Well, do you like my parking? Well, there's no other way to do this because the I-Pace is parked right in the middle there. So, okay, but let me see. It's ramping up now. Well, it seems like the screen is kaput. I cannot change language or look at more details. Oh yeah, 150 kilowatt or 148. Yeah, close enough. And also in the car it shows like this, 149 kilowatts. But then when the car is off now, then we don't see any stats here. And if we try to start it, it will just light up like a Christmas tree here. Not ready to drive. I'm not sure if the 12 volt is being discharged. Some cars will do that. So, okay, we just turn it off. Right, charging cable connected. And then, now we get the charging screen here. Wait, that's weird. I didn't see it earlier. Can I swipe it? Oh, okay, you can swipe here also. Yeah, and of course we have the here. Okay, remember that this is AMG. It's not AMG. But based on test today, you see that we have better consumption than last time with the less powerful car. I mean, how can it be? Well, okay, it was colder last time, but also those Cooper tires, maybe they don't have the best rolling resistance. But now we have some EV tires. They're probably better. But what I wanted to find out is, if you go for the beefiest EQE SUV with 687 horsepower, do you take penalty in efficiency? Well, apparently not, because it seems like Mercedes, they have designed the car to be efficient regardless. It just runs on one motor in the back. Okay, unless you use the boost or the Sport Plus mode or whatever, then okay, it will be probably less efficient. But as long as you don't do that all the time, then you get the same efficiency as the less powerful car. So that's awesome, man. You can just go for it, get this car, buy it. It cost almost 2 million NOK, but it is a beast from Stuttgart, not from the east. But also we will see eventually when I test the NIO EL8. It's like a Chinese luxury car, right? Cost half of this. And maybe it also has similar performance, probably not gonna match it, but maybe at least similar space and comfort and so on. So we'll see then, yeah. But anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.